Hey, it's Chase with Dad's That Cook, and we are in Greve in the Chianti region with Chef Genty, and he's going to show us some incredible stuff.
We are making today spaghetti alla Chitarra.
Ah, yeah.
With this guitar, the pasta.
The pasta. Just dump it.
Exactly.
Yeah.
You press like this.
Mm-hmm. Ah.
Oh, okay.
Ah, yeah. Smart.
1 teaspoon salt.
Okay.
And 1 tablespoon of olive oil. We are using 2 whole egg.
Whole eggs.
Next here, you are welcome to put this beautiful yolk inside. And now you whisk like this.
Uh-huh. And the number one ingredient in the kitchen is time, patience.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I add water. This is the last water because the simple bag,
Okay.
the pasta don't dry in the fridge. 20 minutes. And now you are welcome to open like a pizza with a rolling pan.
Okay.
Because after we cut in 4 pieces.
Okay. So we had a big piece of pastas all rolled out. So we cut it into 4 so it's easier to work with. Let's try, see what happens.
So we start from 0 and
Okay.
each time we change it.
And we go 1.
Yeah. And you can control the pasta from this part. We cut the corner, 1, 2. And this part, some flour, push in here.
Uh-huh.
Now, sir, you need to press gently. You do it before?
I did this, yes, once.
Wow, in Italy?
No, in Hawaii.
Wow, mamma mia.
I know. Okay.
Beautiful spaghetti.
Nice.
Look at that.
Touch how, you see how beautiful they are in the hand?
Yeah.
There's like a little bean bag in my hand.
It really does.
We need to extract the
Saffron.
saffron, and we make a cream, pinch of salt, saffron, and
Oh, wow.
voila!
Oh, nice.
Wow, that's great.
1 cube of butter, some olive oil from Terre di Baccio, shallot, salt. I use a little bit of water, evaporate the acidity part of my vegetable. The saffron, the milk, black pepper, we reduce.
We're going to cook the spaghetti in our
Yeah.
wonderful water that we used earlier.
Exactly.
Okay.
So, 5 minutes.
5 minutes.
And then 1 minute we
In the sauce.
In the sauce.
Saffron sauce.
Exactly.
Oh, look at that.
Or little
Beautiful pasta.
octopus.
Look at that spaghetti.
Does it look like a fake carbonara?
Yeah.
Now, this, you see, Parmigiano,
Parmesan. So sexy.
Wow.
ready.
Oh. All right, we're having saffron spaghetti, homemade, fresh. We just made it ourselves. Ah, look at that. Look at how beautiful that color is. Ah, I'm just gonna chow that in my mouth. Pasta's perfect. Wow, that's good. Again, you have to make this at home, okay? You have to make it.